In this, we are going to see the counting principles. Basically, there are two types of counting principles. In that, the first one is sum rule and the second one is product rule. Let me see one by one here. What is sum rule? If an event can occur in m ways and another event can occur in n ways, and if these two events cannot occur simultaneously, means these two events cannot occur in the same time, then one of the two events can occur in m plus n ways. This is the sum rule. Sum rule can be applicable where the events cannot occur at the same time. For example, if there are 14 boys and 12 girls in a class, find the number of ways of selecting one student as class representative. We can solve this example by using sum rule. Means here there are two events. There are 14 boys can be treated as one event. Means one event can be done in 14 ways, and the other event means here 12 girls can be treated as another event. The another event can be done in 12 ways. Now we are going to find the number of ways of selecting one student as a class representative. Observe this problem. These two events cannot occur in the same time. Okay. So that's why we are going to use sum rule to solve this problem. So by using sum rule, here an event can be done in 14 ways and another event can be done in 12 ways. These two events cannot occur simultaneously. Then one of the two events can occur in 14 plus 12 ways. That is equals to 26 ways. In 26 ways, we are going to selecting one student as class representative. The another important counting principle is product rule. What is product rule? Here, if an event can occur in m ways and another event, that is second event, can occur in n ways, and if the occurrence of second event does not depend upon the occurrence of the first event, then the two events can occur simultaneously in m into n ways. Throughout the product rule, you remind one point: the occurrence of the second event does not depend upon the occurrence of the first event. Means both events in this case means product rule are independent. In such cases, we are going to use product rule. The main object in the product rule is occurrence of the second event does not depend on the occurrence of the first event. Then we are going to use product rule. For example, here 3 persons enter into a car where there are 5 seats. In how many ways can they take up their seats? Here, look at the problem and observe this. The number of persons in this problem is 3. These 3 persons can be entered into a car for occupying 5 seats. Now we are going to find how many ways can they take up their seats. Here, by using product rule, we will solve this problem like the following way. Here, there are 3 persons are there. From these 3 persons, we are going to take 1 person here. There are 3 persons are there. We are going to take 1 person. Means the first person has to choose 5 seats. Okay. And he can sit in any one of these 5 seats. So, for the first person, there are 5 ways of occupying the first seat. The second person has a choice of 4 seats only. Okay. So, here the first person can occupy any one of the 5 seats. How many remaining seats are there after occupying the first person? There are 4 seats. For the second person, there are 4 seats to occupy. In any seat from these 4 seats, the second person can occupy. For the third person, how many seats are there? After occupying first person, second person out of 5 seats, there are 3 seats only for the second person. Okay. Means first event can be done in 5 ways. Second event can be done or occur in 4 ways. And third person or third event can be occur in 3 ways. The required number of ways in which all these persons can sit is, by using product rule, 5 into 4 into 3, that is equals to 60 ways. How many ways these 3 persons can take up their seats is 60 ways. This is the problem on the product rule. Thank you.